LPE2403-152
Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Anis Farhana binti Karama and my matric number is BC250671.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Arin Christina binti Encik Arif. My matrix number is BC253728.
And number is C250125. Today we are talking about animal testing. And animal testing is still necessary for scientific research. When scientific make a new medicine, they must know if it's safe or not. If we do test on animal first, we would have tested on humans, which is very dangerous.
I see your point, Sina, but I have to disagree with you. Animal testing is not dangerous. It is also cruel. Rabbits, mice, and monkeys feel pain just like we do. So it is wrong to lock them in cages and make them sick on purpose.
I want to add something here. I think we need to look at what we are testing. Testing a cure for a bad disease is one thing, but what about testing beauty product like lipstick or foundation? Many companies still hurt animals just to make makeup. That is not necessary at all.
I think I understand what all of you are saying. Like Sheena said just now, she cares about human safety, and Irene also cares about animal feelings. And um, like Fana said, well, basically she talks about makeup. Well, technically, I agree with Irene and Fana up to a point because yeah, it is sad that animals suffer, especially for beauty products. But hmm, however, I also agree with Sheena. I think I felt like it got to one point because we cannot just give unknown medical drugs to human patients. So, what do other choices that we have for alternative for medicine? So, yeah.
Okay, so I think there are many new choices for nowadays. So, for example, scientists can use the computer to see how a drug works, which is nowadays they really use that a lot, and they can also grow human cells in a lab and test the medicine on those cells. So, this is better because human cells give us human results.
But not a complete true. A group of cells is the whole body. But everything computer show up part later. Only a living body can show that.
I agree with Sina on that part. Um, a dish of cells cannot breathe or show a full allergy reaction, but we must also remember that animals are not exactly like humans. Their body does not always act the same way our do.
Exactly. I understand your argument, Sina, but Fana is right. A mouse body is very different from human body. So, did you know that some drugs that were safe for animals turn out to be deadly for the humans? So, animal testing can actually trick us and give us the wrong answer.
I personally feel like all of you make good points. Irene and Fana actually are right that animals and humans are different. But technically, Sheena is also right that, a cell in a lab cannot actually mimic, like a whole living system because it feels like every choice has a problem because if we did it to mice, like the main reason why we use mice in the first place is because they have pretty similar um diagram. I'm not sure, but there is something similar with humans, so that's why any kinds of product are tested on them and then they're tested on humans, but still that way things still turns out wrong.
Yes,
So yeah.
yeah, exactly. I agree with you, Natasha, that no system is perfect, right? But right now, animal testing is the safest path that we have. Also, those new lab method I mentioned are very new and cost a lot of money. It's like India or Bangladesh cannot afford them. I think animal testing is cheaper and available everywhere.
I understand what you mean about the cosina, but think about it this way: big companies do not start spending money on this new method now, technology will never grow. If we buy more computer and lab tools, those tools will become cheaper for everyone in the future.
Yeah, I agree with you, Fana. We need to stop investing money in the past and start investing in the future. So if we keep using the old ways, we will never progress.
I think that makes sense to me because if we want science to change, we have to support the new ways. But what do we do right now? Like as in today, like we cannot stop all medical research while we wait for cheaper computers, because people who are sick need new medicines right now. So yeah.
I think that we cannot just stop everywhere today. But maybe we can use a rule called the three R's.
Oh.
Three R's mean we need to reduce the number of animal we use, refine the test so animal feel no pain, and replace animal with computer whenever we can.
I can go along with that idea. Sina, the three arts rule is a very good compromise for medicine. But I also think we should make a strict rule to ban 100% of animal testing for cosmetic products right now. Makeup does not save lives, so animals should never suffer for it.
Ooh, I agree with Fana addition. If we cannot stop medical testing today, we can at least stop beauty testing immediately. And for medicine, scientists must always try to find a non-animal way first before they are allowed to use on a mouse or even a rabbit.
Okay, now I think we all have finally reached a conclusion where we basically, I agree with this whole thing. So I
Yes.
feel like it sounds like, we have found a great middle ground. So we all agree that testing beauty products on animals should stop from today on. So for medical research, maybe we should use the 3R rules like Shina just suggested, and use fewer animals and aim for zero animals in the future when science is finally ready. So yeah.
Yes. Yes. That's very fair conclusion. So thank you all for this good discussion.
Thank you guys. It was great to share our ideas.
Yes, thank you everyone. This was a very helpful talk.
Okay, goodbye guys.
Bye,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you.
Cut. That's